Cuisine with Fiona. That's me. Welcome to Cooking with Fiona, Episode 5. So today we are going to be cooking creme brulee, vanilla bean creme brulee, which is a delicious dessert. Everyone absolutely loves it. So we're going to start with our heavy whipping cream, and we're going to heat that. And it's going to be nice and warm. And turn on our fire and just warm it up. And we're going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt in there. And more than
A few minutes later.
Push this up for a second. And I'm going to put in the warm, heavy cream, whipping cream. 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. And this is a delicious. Stir that all up. Make sure it's nice and warm. Okay.
A few minutes later.
So the speed is very, very low. Very, very low. And you slowly add the warm milk that has the vanilla.
A few minutes later.
So then we pour the mixture into the round pan. Last drop. So you have some warm water and you fill it up so that it covers underneath about halfway up with the ramekins. So we're waiting for the creme brulee to cook. It takes 30 minutes in the oven. And as you know, I sell real estate and I have been for 35 years. So I want to talk a little bit about a listing that I have. It's a new listing and it's a lot of land. It's a half-acre lot of land on Tea Rose Lane in Devonshire. It's a very quiet and very peaceful area. You can build a good 3,000 square feet, 2 stories, and you have a lovely lawn as well that's part of the whole lot, which is zoned arable. So it's zoned residential 2 and arable land. So with arable land, you can put trees and plant a beautiful garden. So call me up, 534-9932, and I'll be happy to share that with you. Take you down to this peaceful lot, which on the second story, you possibly could have views of the South Shore. I'd also like to tell you about how I've grown in this business and how I've gained so many wonderful friends. And I had a listing which I sold, and it was owned by a very delightful lady whose husband we all know. His name is Quentin Edmonds. So, you build up relationships, and you build up friendships, and you build up honesty and trust. So what happened, and what she did for me, she gave me one of his hats. I have been looking for a French beret hat all over my office and all over with my friends, but I thought I would honor my friend Quentin Edmonds, and this is his hat. So it sort of looks French, and he was a character. He really was. I couldn't find a French beret, but I have this hat of Quentin Edmonds. So selling real estate, you build up friendships. You build up great friendships. So here we go. Here's the ramekins that have the creme brulee, and I'm about to caramelize it. So here we go. Here's the creme brulee, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of sugar on each ramekin. And then I've got a blowtorch that I'm going to caramelize with. If you don't have a blowtorch, by the way, I would use there we go, with the torch. Voila! Creme brulee a la Fiona. And don't forget to call me on 534-9932 if you're interested in any of these recipes. Au revoir!